In this video, we're gonna factor quadratics when your A term is greater than 1. Now, if you refer to an earlier video that I did, this is one we did right here, and this is simple. So what you do is you multiply A and C, and you just make a little cross right here. A times C, you got 6. So what I need is 2 factors of 6 that will equal 5, and that's easy. We got 2 and we got 3. Okay, so then we rewrite the original quadratic as 3x plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so let me ask you this: what's 2x plus 3x? It's 5x. Okay, so this and this are the same thing. I just expanded it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group. I'm going to factor by grouping. Okay, so this right here has a common factor of x. So that's the only common factor it has. So I factor out an x, so I get 3x plus 2. And right here, I have no common factors, so this is prime. So it's gonna be like this, okay? Now the reason I wrote 1 is because 1 times anything is itself, okay? So when these two are the same, that's how you know you did it correctly. And so your terms are gonna be, your factors are gonna be, you're gonna get this right here. That's one factor, and the sum of these two right here. That's your second factor, okay? That's fairly easy. And let's do one a little bit harder where we're gonna have to crunch some numbers together, but you know, we can do it. We can do anything that we put our minds to, okay? So right here, so we take A times C. A times C, we got 12 times negative 12. That's 114. So I need 2 factors of 114 that are gonna equal 10. Now off top, I don't know. Okay, so I can take all the factors of 144 and play with them, or I can take the shortcut that I already have. So I already know that 2 factors of 144 are 12 and negative 12. I mean negative 144. We got 12 and negative 12. So I'm just gonna write my 12 right here, and I'm gonna write negative 12 right here. So now I'm gonna play, okay? So let's see, what are the factors of 12? So I'm gonna say, let me factor out a 2. So if I factor out a 2, I'm gonna get 6, but I'm gonna transfer that 2 right here. So now I'm gonna get 24. Okay, so is there any combination of 24 and 6 that I can get to 10? No, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, so let's see, with this 24, I'm going to factor out, I don't know, let's say a 3. Okay, so I'm gonna get 8, and then I'm gonna transfer that 3 right here. I'm gonna multiply it. So 6 times 3 is 18. So now we're cooking, okay? So let's see what we can do. So we got a positive 10. So that means this is gonna be negative 8. So the sum of 18 and negative 8 is positive 10. You see how we did that? So now we just write it out. We're gonna write, let me get on this side right here. We're gonna say 12x minus 8x plus 18x minus 12. Okay, so now we can factor by grouping. Oh, let me get back in this frame. Now we can factor by grouping. So I just do that right there, and I got an x term and a 4. So I got 4x right here minus 2. Okay, and then right here I can factor out the greatest factor of 18 and 12. The greatest common factor is going to be a 6. So I got a 6. So I got 3x minus 2. Okay, so remember, when these two are the same, that means you did it right. So I got 4x plus 6 times 3x minus 2. All right. Now pause the video and redo it if you need some extra practice. All right, let's move along. I'm telling you, math is so easy. Don't let math be the boogeyman. You know, if you like money, then you like math. You know, math is in everything in life. There's so many lessons of math. I mean, numbers. I mean, math is beautiful. I know that sounds nerdy, but it's okay. All right, so same thing right here. We multiply A and C. Okay, so A times C is negative 150. All right, so I need two factors of negative 150 that's going to give me negative 19. So I'm going to use my shortcut. I already got 10 and I got 15. Okay, so now I play. All right, let's see. I'm going to divide 10 by 2 and then bring it here. So I'm going to get negative 30 and I'm going to get 5. Okay, so the sum of negative 30 and 5 is not negative 19. So I'm going to play some more. So let's see, I'm going to divide 30 by 5. And I'm just, you know, I'm just seeing what I can do. I'm just, you know, playing with it. And then I'm going to transfer it over here. So now I'm going to get 25 and negative 6. Okay, so the sum of 25 and negative 6 is actually 19. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch these around. So I got negative 25 plus 6 is negative 19. Okay, so we're good. So we found our two numbers. We found our two factors of 150 that will add together to give us negative 19. Okay, so now we got 10x squared minus 25x plus 6x minus 15. Okay, now we just group them together. All right, then we factor. We factor out the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of this right here, we're gonna pull out a 5 and an x. And so we're gonna be left with 2x minus 5. Okay, well, there's 5x times 2x, 10x squared. 5x times negative 5 is negative 25x. Okay, so we're good. All right, so right here, I'm gonna pull out a 3. Okay, so I'm left with 2x inside minus 5. You see how easy this is? This used to torture me when I was in school, when I was in high school. This used to torture me, okay? But I'm giving you the shortcut. I'm showing you how to do this. In this day and age, there's no excuse to not know how to do anything, all right? So these two terms are the same. That means we did it correct. So our factors are gonna be 5x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. Okay, this is simple. All right, now let's do this one. Let's do this one. All right. See if I'm still in the frame. Okay. Need to move my camera. I don't want to block the, I think my head's in the way. You're right here. Okay. So now A times C is 126. So now I need two factors of 126 is going to give me negative 25. So I got 2 and I got 63. Okay. So let's see. Let's play. All right. So if I divide 63 by 3, then I transfer it right here, I get 21 and then I get 6. Okay. Is there any combination of 6 and 21 that'll give me 25? Nah. So let's keep playing. All right. So let me divide this by 3. So I'm going to get 7 and I'm going to multiply this by 3 and I'm going to get 18. So we got 18 and 7. It's 25. Found it. It's that easy. All right. So this is negative 25. So we're going to get two negative numbers. We're going to get negative 18 and negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 18 times negative 7 equals 63. Is that right? No. Negative 18 times negative 7 equals positive 126. And then negative 18 plus negative 7 equals negative 25. Okay. So now we just expand it out. So we go 2x squared minus 18x minus 7x plus 63. Okay, so now we just group them together. And I'm gonna pull a 2x out of here. And so I'm left with x. And then, let's see, that's going to be 9. And right here, I'm gonna pull out a, let's see, I think I'm gonna pull out a negative 7. Yeah, I'm gonna pull out a negative 7. And I get x. And, oh, see, look at that. Right there. All right. These two are the same. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And negative 7 times negative 9 is positive 63. These two are the same. We did it right. So our terms are was that hard? I don't think so. Okay. So with that said, just be confident when you're doing this. You know, with this, you have to play around with the factors a little bit, but I mean, I didn't take all day doing this. You know, this, if I can do this, you can do this. I'm no smarter than you are. You know, my brain works the same way yours does, and you can do this. Now, if you do need help, just feel free to email me and we can set up a tutoring session and we can get it. All right. Talk to y'all next time.